Hey there, and welcome to our video on the money checklist for your first month of managing your finances. Congratulations on taking the first step towards financial freedom. We know it can be overwhelming to keep track of everything, so we've put together a handy checklist to help you out. First things first, create a budget. List out all your income sources and expenses, and make sure you're not spending more than you earn. This will ensure that you have enough money to cover all your bills and other expenses. Next up, set up automatic bill payments. This way, you won't have to worry about missing any payments and incurring late fees or penalties. Thirdly, open a savings account if you haven't already. Even if you're only able to save a small amount each month, it's important to start building up an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Fourthly, track your spending. This will give you an idea of where your money is going and help you identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. Lastly, check your credit report. Make sure there are no errors or fraudulent activity that could negatively impact your credit score. So there you have it, our money checklist for your first month of managing your finances. Thanks for